When I look at that photograph, I think, wow, what a significant day in the history of Fletcher Jones when the silver ball went up. There was great excitement. Des was at work and the three eldest girls were at school, and Sandy, our youngest girl, I put her in the pusher and we walked down to have a look. So I was very excited about it, and I was saying to Sandy, oh, there's going to be a big crane. And so she got out of the pusher, and that's Sandy in that photograph watching the silver ball go up. I guess it had been advertised. We must have known it was going up and the legs were already there, but this was the big day the cranes were going to lift it. So there were lots of cars. It seemed to be not very well organised in hindsight, because people were able to be fairly close to it, so there were no safety concerns. You know, in this day and age with health and safety issues, you think, oh my God, it would be a nightmare. You wouldn't be able to get as close. When I look at where Sandy is standing, you know, and she probably was closer at times to that. Nothing was barricaded off. We just walked from here down to Fletcher Jones and watched it and roamed around and took photos from every angle. Could almost touch it. I can remember thinking those legs, it was so high. It was like, to me, like a skyscraper. And that ball was enormous, just so huge. And I just thought the people working that crane were so clever to be able to lift that and get it to sit on top of that little base. I didn't really think much about the technology and all of that. It was just a magic moment watching it go up. I'd never seen anything so exciting and so big, and especially in Warrnambool. I used to tell her she was there when it was going up, even though she didn't remember, but she could always say, I was there when I was there when the ball went up. Imagine that happening today. You wouldn't have got to think, cooey,